On today's episode of the Proficient Hands, we're working on a Murray's lawnmower, self-propelled. Having a little problem with the starter thing. I'm just finna replace the ripcord on it. Dog ate it out of there, so you see. Basically, you're gonna take out these 3 screws. Got 1, 2, 3. Take them out. I'm gonna pull this top off right here. Once the level come off, you got a little ripcord thing that's right up under here. I think you can see it through that. See it right down through there. Let me see. Now I gotta excuse me. I'm trying to do it one hand. Hold the camera in and show you. Now when you're replacing this string back to your lawnmower, be sure you first put this string through the hole. This is where the ripcord comes out to go back up the arm of the lawnmower. So you're gonna want to pull that through here first. Then, don't worry about that. See your hole right there? I don't know if you can see it, so darn bright out here. You sit right here. Alright, I'm just gonna load it up through there. Tie a knot in it. Wrap it back around it. Put your spring back on. Remember I told you, put your centerpiece back on. Put that back in there. Then put the lock on. You're good to go. That's all you gotta do as far as replacing the ripcord on your lawnmower. Y'all have a blessed day. Shout out to my team. Mark like we in the building. See, it's working. With efficient hands. Probably just ain't got enough gas in it.